Let's take a look at this problem. We got P is equal to 5,000. R is equal to 10%, so 0.10. And T is equal to 40 years. Okay, and then our first one we want to find is when n is equal to 1. That's the first box here. Well, it doesn't say continuous, so we're going to use this formula. A is equal to P times 1 plus R over n to the nt power. We'll plug in everything we're given. We're given 5,000 times 1 plus R, which is 0.10, over n, which is 1, raised to the nt power, which would be 1 times 40. Which gives us 5,000 times 1 plus 0.10, and 1 times 40 gives us the 40th power. So let's plug this in the calculator. So I got 5,000, beginning parentheses, 1 plus 0.10, close parentheses, caret 40, 40th power. Then press enter. $226,296 and 28 cents. The next one is n is equal to 4. So again, it doesn't say continuous, so we're going to plug in the same formula. So we've got A is equal to P times 1 plus R over n to the nt power. P was set as 5,000 times 1 plus R, which is 0.1 or 0.10, over n, which is 4, raised to the nt power, which is 4 times 40. Gives us 5,000 times 1 plus 0.10 divided by 4 raised to the 160th power. So I got 5,000, beginning parentheses, 1 plus 0.10 divided by 4, close parentheses, caret 160. Enter. And we get 259,889 and 34 cents. Now, next one is when n is equal to 12. So again, it doesn't say continuous. I'll plug in the same formula. P times 1 plus R over n to the nt power. Well, P we set as 5,000 times 1 plus R, which is 0.10, divided by n, which is 12, raised to the nt power, which would be 12 times t, which is 40. Which gives us 5,000 times 1 plus 0.10 divided by 12. 40 times 12 is 480. So we got 5,000, beginning parentheses, 1 plus 0.10 divided by 12, closing parentheses, caret 480. Enter. And we get $268,503 and 32 cents. Next one is 365. Doesn't say continuous again. So we got A is equal to P times 1 plus R over n to the nt power. Now P is 5,000. 1 plus R, which is 0.10, over n, which is 365. Raise the nt power, which is 365 times t, which was 40. Now this one, I'm going to put that in as you see it. Since there's more than a single number up in our exponent, I want to put parentheses around the exponent. So we got 5,000. Then beginning parentheses, 1 plus 0.10 divided by 365. Close parentheses, caret for the power, and then put a beginning parentheses and 365 times 40. And I'll go ahead and put a closing parentheses on the exponent, but you don't have to have them at the very end. And then press enter. Which gives us 272,841.23. The last one actually says continuous, so that tells us to use our PERT formula. So A is equal to P e to the RT. Well, A we said is 5,000. E to the R, which is 0.10 times time, which was 40 years. So we got 5,000. Second natural log ln, then 0.10 times 40. And press enter. And we get $272,990.75. And those would be our 5 answers.